Here at the Process Tech Hub, we ensure every kernel is handled with precision. Our automated systems load thousands of tons.
The process begins as fresh corn kernels are introduced into the primary hopper, ready for the automated seasoning and bagging. Here, the compressed air blasts away any remaining dust, ensuring only the cleanest kernels move forward.
The automated system precisely measures and delivers the popcorn kernels into the main mixing vat for processing.
Utilizing state-of-the-art washing technology, we guarantee a pristine product, processed with maximum efficiency.
The kernels cascade onto the vibratory tray, precisely measured before the popping process begins.
Here we see the golden kernels being deposited into the hopper, where a sensor ensures precise levels for optimal processing.
A steady stream of purified golden oil begins the process, flowing into our state-of-the-art mixing vats. Inside these massive vats, the oil is quickly superheated, preparing the kernels for expansion.
The vibrating mesh ensures that only the finest popcorn coating moves on to the next stage of production, trapping any impurity.
Here we see the automated sensor verifying the liquid levels in the main holding tank.
Water is added to the specialized popcorn premix, ensuring the precise consistency required for optimal expansion. The precise blending of the red and yellow mixture is crucial for the perfect gourmet popcorn coating.
The stainless steel lid ensures a sterile environment for the popcorn production.
Here at Process Tech Hub, our automated mixers ensure every kernel is perfectly coated in our signature glaze.
Here, the freshly popped kernels enter the centrifugal tumbler for an even application of oil and seasoning.
The automated system ensures an even distribution of seasoning across every kernel.
The vibrating sifting station ensures only the finest popcorn moves down the line, demonstrating the precision and scale of our automated.
Here at Process Tech, precision machinery ensures a continuous flow, maintaining freshness from the hopper to the bag. Here at the Process Tech Hub, automation ensures maximum efficiency in the final packaging stage. The automated line ensures maximum efficiency. The bags are formed and sealed at high speed before moving on to the filling. The Process Tech Hub utilizes high-speed automated systems for maximum efficiency, ensuring a seamless flow of production. The high-speed conveyor system precisely delivers the freshly sealed bags to the automated platform.
The bags now enter the washing station, where high-pressure jets ensure a sterile product ready for shipment.
As the bags move along the conveyor, the high-speed printer rapidly applies the necessary batch information and expiration date.
At the Process Tech Hub, our automated lines inspect every item with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring the highest quality. The Process Tech Hub ensures maximum efficiency, moving thousands of bags per hour along this state-of-the-art stainless steel conveyor.
The automated conveyor system ensures efficient transport of every box to the next stage.
The Process Tech Hub utilizes advanced robotics to ensure the efficient and precise stacking of every box.
The sophisticated automation ensures precise placement, maximizing storage density while maintaining the integrity of every product.